You guys have always requested this, and finally we are giving it to you guys, right? So from today onwards, you are going to be given a 7-day free trial of our premium signals community. So all you have to do is check the link down in the description for my Telegram. Text me that you want to actually join our premium signals community, and I'm going to add you to that particular group for 7 days for absolutely free. So all you have to do is just text me and you'll be added to our premium signals community for the next 7 days. And after that, you are going to decide whether you want to get to continue with us or not, right? So that's how it is, right? Remember, our signals are at $50 per month, but in the first 7 days, you don't get to pay anything. You get to enjoy all our signals that are going to be shared in our premium signals community. All right, you guys have wanted this to happen, and now we are giving it to you guys. All right, so make sure you take advantage of it while it lasts. So just simply text me via Telegram, and I'll definitely add you to it to the group, and then you'll be able to enjoy everything with us right here. All right, so make sure you just do that right now before we actually start sending signals and everything. All right, I can't wait to see you here.